Oh my god, this is so nice. So we just landed in Penang. Right now we're heading to one of my granddad's favorite dim sum shop. So what I have here is fried radish cakes, bitter gourd, the must-have siu mai, the prawn dumplings. We call this ha gao over here. Every time when you're here for dim sum, make sure to order a pot of hot traditional Chinese buah tea. So you can try this. It's really nice, dry, and it's slightly bitter to a taste. Right, now time to eat now. I'm gonna try my favorite siu mai first with some chili paste. Sweetness from the pork and the juicy savory fillings. Oh my god, this is so nice. For the fried radish cake, what I tend to like to enjoy it with is some mayonnaise and just amazing. I really like the texture of this one because the skin outside is crispy, inside is soft. Oh my god, this is so good. Next one we've got is some prawn dumplings. This is ha gao. Amazing. So good. It's our bitter gourd. I'll definitely get the chili paste. And then I'm gonna add extra. This is their version of sweet chili here. As you can see, it's nice and sticky. I don't know how to describe how good it is to you because it's just so damn good. So I think I've evolved from being a typical Malaysian. When I was living here in Malaysia, I always used to stand in the shade. But right now, living in the UK for so long, got no sun. So when I'm back here, I always stand out here, embracing the sunlight. So right behind me, this is Komta. Now you can actually walk all the way up there and have a look around the whole island. This used to be, well, it is still a shopping mall downstairs, and got a lot of fond memories there because my parents would bring us here and we didn't have air conditioner at home. So the day is too hot, we'll just hide ourselves in that shopping mall like every Asian family does. So shopping mall is part of our culture. Another attraction of Penang is they are home of lots and lots of street art. Right now at Hin Bus Depot, thanks to Nicole who suggested this place to me, and it looks awesome. So apparently this is an art center, so during certain times they would actually have like classes done over here, and that's a perfect Insta-worthy section over there. So, if you're an Instagrammer, you definitely got to visit this area right here. You wouldn't believe, like, such a metropolitan city, you still get so much the olden days culture and history, parts, bits and pieces lying around. It's quite a unique place. So on such a sunny day, the best thing to do is to grab a bowl of ice-chilled dessert. So let's go grab one now. Right, I'm right now at Lebok Keng Kui, and I'm bringing you to one of my favorite desserts here in Malaysia. This is what we call cendol. So come on, follow me. Now, cendol is actually made out of coconut milk, a bit of sweetened red beans, shaved ice, and of course cendol, which is a green like pandan noodles. Let me show you how it looks like. Now this is one of the most famous cendol store here in Penang, and every time I'm here, I'll definitely grab a bowl of this, sometimes even more. And you can see like the queue today is quite quiet, sort of, compared to most other days. Otherwise, you can see lots and lots of other people coming here. The queue can be right up to the main street. And this is what cendol looks like. Now, green color is actually what you get from the pandan juice itself. And the other one is over here, that's coconut milk with the mixed pandan in there. Got some sweetened red beans and of course the iconic machine that is shaving the ice. One more thing that they usually add in, palm sugar. We call it gula melaka. And of course, being a dessert, you gotta make sure it's sweet, right? So time to line up and get my bowl of cendol. I am so excited because this is one of my favorite desserts in the world. This is so good, I miss. This is actually one of the things that I miss most. Oh, look what's here. So we've got one Assam Laksa over here and a fruit rojak, our Malaysian kind of fruit salad. Some tofu puff, cucumbers, some jicama, as well as pineapples over here. The sauce right here is actually made out of belacan. So it's got like shrimp paste in there and topped up with some toasted peanuts. That's it. So this, let's try them. So what I've got here is tofu puff. It's sweet and savory at the same time, which is so right up my street. Next thing that is really famous here in Penang is Assam Laksa. Now, Assam Laksa is very different as compared to the Singaporean Katong Laksa or the Malaccan style of Nyonya Laksa. Why is that? It's because there's no coconut milk in this type of laksa and you get like a broth made out of fish. Over here, this is hair gong. It's a shrimp paste sauce. How you eat this is that you pour it in and mix it all up together. Can you see the noodles itself? It's very different as well. The Penang style laksa noodles, it's a bit more chewy, springy. Got a bit more characters and texture to it. So let's try this one out. So the soup itself, it's gotta be sour, it's gotta be a bit spicy as well. The taste of the fish is awesome. So. You can taste the flavor from the laksa leaves in there. This is so good. I can't believe I'm hungry in less than 2 hours. Right, I'm gonna start eating. I'll see you later. Today we'll be making siu mai. So siu mai is very easy because all you will be needing is some pork mince, prawns, cornstarch, white pepper, soy sauce, an egg, pinch of salt, ginger, spring onion, carrot, sesame oil or sweet chili paste, and I'm using some frozen wonton wrappers over here. It's only because I don't really like to handle flour and frozen wonton wrappers is so easy to use. This is a really simple dish because all I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna use my food processor. I'm gonna throw everything in there, blend it all up, and then just wrap it up in individual portions. So first thing we want to do is the carrot. Skin this carrot. So for the carrot, I'm gonna leave about a thumb size later for garnishing. And for the rest, I'm just gonna chuck it into the food processor. I'm cutting them down into smaller sizes so it blends quicker. So let's throw this all in. Let's chop this all up. I'm gonna chop up this thing now. Now leave the green parts out because you don't want it to be too green. Now the green part, just save it because you can use it for your noodle soup or even some garnishing in the future. That will all go into our food processor as well. Then throw in pork. If you don't like pork, if you want some other meat, you can try using turkey mince as well. It works perfectly fine. Then I'm going to be throwing in my prawns. So I'm going to cut a bit of ginger out. So about a thumb size. Ginger goes in. Then we'll be adding the soy sauce, some white pepper powder, a a pinch of salt, some cornstarch, and crack an egg. Sesame oil, and we're just gonna mix them all up. Now let's just put them all in here. Making siu mai is so much fun because you can all sit down together and wrap this. Plus, it's not very expensive to make it on your own, and you can just freeze them and use them whenever you need them. I'm gonna use this plate over here. So line your plate up with some parchment paper. Now let's wrap them up. So take a piece of your wonton skin, filling in the middle, then just wrap them up, leaving the top exposed. With your palm over here so that it stands nicely later. So just press it down a little, squeeze it, and there you have it. That's one done. See? How simple. So let's continue doing it. Well, you can actually make about 10 to 12 pieces from this mixture over here, but to save time, I'm just gonna make 6 for now. Now with the remaining carrot, I'm just gonna grate a bit of it onto the top just to bring out the color. So right now we're just gonna steam them. I've got some boiling hot water over here. Let's put this in there and allow it to steam for about 20 minutes. Alright, now that it's all done, you're just gonna take them out. Ooh, wow. That's our siu mai. Look at how easy it is to make. Because they're not as pretty as the one that you get from restaurants or even the frozen ones. So I bought myself a new plate to make sure that it matches the feel. I'm still gonna be joining MasterChef. Then we're just gonna garnish it so that it looks very posh. Remember the green onion that I have left over? It looks quite like MasterChef. Oh my god, Will, you are amazing. Then some sweet chili paste. We're gonna do something different today, which is piping the chili paste onto the plate. By the way, this step is optional. I'm just being extra, trying to make it look pretty. Alright. Woo! Look, fine dining siu mai. Time to eat my 67-pound siu mai. It's savory, it's juicy, it's amazing. So this week we make siu mai. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. And remember, if you've got any other ideas that you want us to make, just comment down below. See you next week. Ta-da!